Hi EDU 153. Let's take a quick look at your assignments for week 3. This week does have more assignments than your past weeks have, so be sure to follow along closely. You need to read chapters 6 through 8 in your textbook, and you also need to read the introduction section of NC Foundations, and it is linked here. One reason that we are pulling in Foundations at this point is because you will need to use NC Foundations for your activity plan, your health activity plan that is also due this week. So if you click this link, it will take you over to Foundations. This is what the cover looks like. I have assigned for you to read the introduction that starts here on page 1. And it includes introduction to how Foundations is laid out, how you should use it as a teacher. It also has an overview of the domains, subdomains, and goals for all of the domains listed in Foundations. I do want you to pay close attention to the health and physical developmental domain. Your activity plan is supposed to be a health-related activity plan, so your goal for this activity plan will likely come from the health and physical developmental domain. There is an in-depth section on health and physical development, and it is noted with the purple borders here. So let's scroll down. It's after social and emotional development. So it would be wise for you to also read this section of the Foundations book, Health and Physical Development. It has the subdomains listed here, and really when you're doing your activity plans, it's best for you to take a look at the goals as they are written out here in this section, but also the developmental indicators related to that goal. So be sure to use this when you're doing your activity planning. The reason we use Foundations in all of our classes here is because it is the statewide standard course of study for all early childhood classrooms, and in licensed child care facilities you have to align your activity plans with Foundations. You do have to write a health activity plan this week, so you want to be sure to check that out early in the week and get started on that. It is a tedious form, and you do need to complete each section carefully. There's information here about safe sleep. There are resources in this folder about hand washing. You have a discussion board to participate in this week. And I also wanted to draw your attention to something that's going to help you get a head start for next week, which is your playground safety training videos. Next week, you're going to be going out and doing a playground inspection. You need to watch all 5 of the videos in this folder so that you can complete the playground safety training by watching the videos and completing the playground inspection. So as you see, we'll open that up, and the videos are listed here. I believe they're each about 10 minutes. So that is 50 minutes spent on, at a minimum, watching these videos, and then it will prepare you for completing a playground inspection at either a local playground or a child care facility next week. All right. So the main thing you need to focus on for submitting this week is the health activity plan. It is due on Tuesday. I did not make it due on Monday because Monday is a holiday. So you have until midnight on Tuesdays to submit that health activity plan. Feel free to reach out if you have questions about this. Google, do some research on what different types of health activities are appropriate for an early childhood classroom, because that is the main focus. I want to be sure that you understand that your activity plan is age appropriate and that it covers an important health topic, something that children need to know about related to health in the classroom. So any questions you have, please let me know. I hope you guys have a great week.